All right, people, welcome. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram profile. Okay, I'll quickly show you here. So I'm using this cell phone so that people can understand this more, and I figured that most people will be using their cell phones to do this. So if you don't have Meta Business Suite on your phone, okay, if you don't have Meta Business Suite on your phone, first of all, go to Google Play and then find Meta Business Suite, right? Find Meta Business Suite on your app store and then click on it and then install it. It's already installed. That's why it's telling me to open. And if I open this, okay, it's going to come up with my Facebook page. Here is the Facebook page that I created before. Although I've already connected with my Instagram, but I'll still show you how it's connected, right? I'm still going to show you how it's connected, right? So um, you navigate to tools, okay? You get to tools and then you click on settings, okay? You click on settings. You scroll down. When you scroll down, you see here that it says connected. It's going to show you Instagram and it's going to show you connect, right? You click on it. Then when you click on it, it's going to tell you to proceed. All right. It's going to tell you to proceed. So you follow the instructions. It will prompt you to log into your Instagram account. And when you click and log into your Instagram account, it will tell you to connect, and then you will automatically connect immediately. Okay, you will automatically connect. So I hope you understand this. It's a really simple instruction, and I hope to see you in the next video.